Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a restaurant style French fries. Sometimes we all want to eat certain things that we've seen in a restaurant, but we don't know how to make it look like the restaurant style food. But today you are going to learn the secret about French fries. So let's just get right into it. For this recipe, I am using roasted potatoes. I have at least 10 of them. So I do have a grater that I use to be able to grate the potatoes and make it look like restaurant style potatoes. So that's what I'm doing right now. And once I'm done grating all of those potatoes and slicing them into the size that I want, then I will soak it into water. That's one of the secrets of the restaurant. Sprinkle some salt in it, put it in water, and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. It will remove the starchiness and make it crispy when it's fried. So once I'm done, I will just drain the water and put it on a piece of paper towel to dry all the potatoes that I've let soak for at least 30 minutes. So once it's soaking, I'm just going to spread it and make sure that it's all dried. In the meantime, I've already set my oil on the stove and I'm going to fry my potatoes, but I'm not going to fry them for long, just for a couple of minutes. Then once I'm frying them, I will remove it again and put it on another set of paper towels to let it dry. It will actually make the potato get very crispy and give that very good consistency once it's totally cooked. So once I let it rest for a little while, after I then put it back into the pan again, and this time I'm frying it totally for the whole time. So I am frying it, and once I see the consistency I like it's getting brown the way I like it and very crispy, so I'm getting it out of the stove. And now my potatoes are ready. As you can see, I dry it with a paper towel to remove the excess oil, and my fries are ready to serve, and it's very good and crispy. I like it. And I also have another version of homemade French fries made that takes even shorter time, and I will post it in the description down below so you can try it too. And as you can see, it's good, and I'm enjoying my fries, and I hope you try it and let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. If you like the content of the videos I'm making, don't forget to share the video with your friends so they can also get to enjoy the restaurant French fries. And until next time, enjoy.